What up, boys and girls? It is finally time. I'm so excited. I've I've ridden this thing a couple times, but not on a open freeway in Mexico. So I'm excited to truly experience this thing. I mean, this bike is an absolute monster. It's got a lot of nice stuff done to it. It's got the velocity stacks, airbox is gutted, Sprint P08 air filter, full titanium Acra headers, titanium SE project, which is gorgeous. Look at the bluing on that thing. Yes, sir. Stomp grip, same grips I got on the R1M. Yeah, this thing is beautiful. What a weapon. Yes, Bren tuned, stage 2 tuned. Yeah. Yeah, this thing's a beast. Alright, let's get it. And thank God he's in GP shift. Alright, I'll follow you. Neither do I, so. Dude, your pegs are nice and high. I love it. Oh, that quick shifter is nice. Quick shifter is so much nicer than the R1s. The quick shifter is so much nicer. Wow, this bike leans in nice. Holy shit! This bike is a beast. It's so linear. Well, the top end is nuts. Oh my god! That thing sounds nuts! Quick shifter is amazing on this bike. The downshifts are so crispy. My goodness. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, good lord. Don't leave me! Good lord, dude. Alright. Here, let's find an opening. Here, let me take the inside. I'm on the inside. Alright, you ready? Alright, pull up, pull up, pull up. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! sure I blew past a couple highway pirates, so I had to get out of there. Let's try another hit. What a monster! Look at that moon! I just noticed that. It's crazy. Alright boys, come on, where are you? I'm getting nervous going this slow. I swear if I get... Oh, there you guys are. There you are, finally. They're finally back in Cardo range. Dude, this bike sounds so good. Oh my god! The flame! Wait till we get over the hill! Marcos, go right! Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, go! Dude, this bike is an animal! Dude, this thing is so fast. Oh my god. Dude. When we raced, I literally let you go for like a half a second before I even touched the throttle. And I just walked around, dude. I didn't even touch the throttle. I let you hit, and I was like, I don't know where I'm going. Where are we going? Okay. I can't see. Alright, we're good. Now where? Go. Alright. Yeah, it smells like Cinnabon or something. Oh God. Oh, okay. Alright, so don't judge me, hear me out. So Panda Express, they've got this new apple pie like roll or something. I tried it. Dude, it is the most fire thing I've ever had. It's like a deep fried churro with apple pie filling. It's unreal. Alright. Oh yeah, these tires are hot. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. Look at this lineup though. Yeah, look at all that carbon on this S1K now. This thing is beautiful. All the carbon here. Dude, the Fireblade is an absolute animal. I couldn't talk while I was doing that, but long story short, yeah, this thing's incredible. I will say you don't quite get the like sensation of speed that the R1M gives you, but it is just insanely fast, and this thing is, I mean, it just pulls all the way through 6 too. What a beast. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.